People are realizing this industry is the cool way to make money. They're realizing that you really can earn an ongoing residual income, that there is a professional way to build a direct marketing home-based business companies. And when it comes to compensations, again, this is something that my wife and I are really understand compensation systems with different companies. Again, for the last 20 years, my wife and I have earned a multiple six-figure income almost every single year. We've raised our children in this industry. In fact, we got married in this industry. And we've helped thousands of people around the world earn incredible incomes with this industry. And as a consultant for the last 7 years, and as a coach for the last 7 years, we've developed compensation systems. And we believe this is one of the most fair, simple, powerful compensations to earn upfront money, but really that ongoing residual income on a month-in, month-out basis. And the way that we do it is 5 different ways that you can earn money. Of course, the first way is Fast Start. You earn 25% on all the orders of everybody that you refer to this product line, whether it's the initial Power Strips or the back-end Whole Foods. So if you bring in 4 people, we call it at L3, which I'll share here in a few minutes, that means that you can literally earn $250 per every single person that gets the L3 product pack of the Power Strips. And if you get 4 people a month doing that, and that's exactly what we teach you how to do. In fact, we teach you how to do double that. But if you just get 4, you plug into our training, you follow it step by step, you go out there and help one person around the world that wants to experience these products, but also maybe wants to get involved in the business as well. You're going to earn $250 per person that gets started at the best package, which is the L3 package. That means that you're going to earn $1,000 in this example here. Now, let's go to the next one. It's XTRIBE bonus. Now, this is where you get rewarded for growth. We're in a business of growth and duplication. So what that means is you go out there and help, let's say, 4 people, help them get started and build a business of only $1,000 worth of business. We've had people do this, like Kenny Ho from Hawaii, within his very first few days. Joey McDermott, I believe, is one of the first people to do it in our team, did it in, I believe, in the first 24 hours. We have people that have never been in this industry before doing it for sure within their first month. Okay, that's the goal, to do it within your first month. And when you do that, you get another $200. Now, not one time, on a monthly basis. Okay? The next thing is what's called team bonuses. The way that our team works is you build teams of 2 people. Now, let me be really clear. It doesn't mean that you're going to refer 2 people to a presentation like this. They plug into the training, and you can go retire and go to the beach in Bora Bora. It doesn't work that way. And if anybody ever shares a business like that, run, because it doesn't work that way. I'm just going to be very upfront with you, because it might take referring 3 people, 4 people. But the way that it works is you refer people to simple messages or a presentation like this right now. Depending on when you're listening to it, you might be watching it live. Maybe you'll watch it recorded later. You refer people to this message. Let me do the explaining for you. They get started on your website. When they get started on your website, our company, Forever Green and FGX, will track the commissions for you on a monthly and ongoing basis of every single person, every customer, and every business partner that you refer to the company. Okay? So go out there and continually build a business, one on your left, one on your right. You help 12 people go XTRIBE, which means you're putting 6 of those people, and again, the computer does this for you, on your left and 6 people on your right. You'll get about $6,000 of volume. Now, with the team commissions, you're earning 12%. Now, that works out to $720 a month. And what did you do? You went XTRIBE and helped 6 people, or total of 12 people, go XTRIBE, helping them earn an extra $200 a month. And what did you do? You referred someone to this presentation or one of our online movies. They plugged into the training. We teach them how to go XTRIBE, and you do it over and over and over. In this example, it's $720. But remember, there's unlimited amount of income that you actually can earn with this compensation. So I'm using this as an example tonight. Now let's talk about matching bonus. This is where it becomes really fun. If you're on this line and you really are the kind of person that likes to help people, imagine this. The more people that you help, the more people that you have the ability to earn with matching bonus, number 4. You earn 50% once you're qualified of the check of every single person, the team bonus check of every single person that you refer. Help 4 people earn $720 like in the last example. That's a total of $2,800 between those 4 people. Now remember, if you referred all of them and you're qualified, you're going to earn a 50% matching bonus on all of them. That's $1,440. And it's unlimited to the amount of people that you can refer. There are people on this line that have referred people from around the country, maybe even around the world. You refer them here, they plug into the training, they start making money, you match their check over every single week, ongoing, until they're building the business. Okay? So let's break this down. We also have rank advancement bonuses, up to $43,000 in bonuses as well. So let me share how this works. You get fast start bonuses. And again, you may refer 1 person a week or maybe 2 or 3 people a week. You earn 25%. X-Tribe bonus, team bonus. Remember the 720? You also earn matching bonus, $1,400. And again, this is purely an example, but that is $3,360 on a monthly basis. And if you can do this every single month, could you grow your business times 2? Could you keep going and get more people and do it maybe times 4? So if you just doubled your business or did this 4 times over, you can actually be earning $3,360 a week, which would equate to over $13,000 on a monthly basis. And again, these are pure examples. I'm not saying this is not one of these things where you just get in, do nothing, refer people, and make a bunch of money. It does take work, but I can tell you this. With 20 years experience, we know how to teach you